Okay guys, it's getting pretty exciting. I just wanted to share with you what I just did. Didn't actually make that much of a change. So the main change is right here in the fragment shader. Okay. Um, Basically I casted the type, which is the vertex attribute that we send in that's a float. I casted it to an integer so that we can use the switch statement on it. And so I can have the type case 0, 1, or 2. Now 0 and 1 were previously the if statement that we were using, so it's either a texture or it's a color. But case 2 is now different. It uses the color, so we'll come basically down to this. And we do this. We set a temporary variable, vector 2, equal to the point coordinate minus zero point 0.5. So if you can picture this, you're in the little cube, and it's going to go from 0 to 1. But now, subtracting 0.5 comma 0.5, so you've got a little center right in the center of the cube, and you're taking the dot of that particular vector. So it's kind of like the temp is the distance from the center, and then the dot of that is the dot product, which is actually the true distance, or whatever you would say. If so, it's like a radius, and if the radius is greater than 0.07, discard. Otherwise, draw the color. So basically, what that does is, and then when I changed the points in it function here, so your random number is 1 or 2. So this is 0 or 1 plus 1, so it's 1 or 2. And then you either get a circle or you get a square, which is, so you have some circles, then you have some squares. So that's really cool. And that's the first of the procedurally generated um, particles. So now we can have so now in the fragment shader, just by specifying the type, we have the textured points, we have the colored points, and then we have this procedurally generated circle, which we can do an entire host of procedurally generated um, particles. So anyways, it's very exciting. Stay tuned for more. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment in the section below the video with things that you would like to see. Look forward to hearing from everybody. And tell your friends to come over to the channel. I think it would be great. I just topped out at 100 subscribers, so it's very exciting for me. Not really, but I have a few things that I kind of am planning as I get into the stage of where I can actually produce a viable, playable, or an experience. But we'll see. Stay tuned, and again, thanks for watching.